Today we call for a serviceman to repair our gas range. So please come and join with us how it's being done to make the red flame into a blue flame. Put YouTube brother, huh? YouTube. I'll put, huh? How to repair,
Yes.
huh? Gas range, huh? From red to blue flame.
Full clear.
Yeah. So this is how you do it. So what do you call that burner, no?
Yes.
The burner, no?
Yeah.
So you need to have tools like this wrench. So only expert can do this. Changing the burner. It looks simple, but you need to be expert doing this. It's a technical job. Not so much. Still have bread. One more try.
Understand.
These are the tools you need, huh? Long screwdriver, flat, wrench, and pliers. What is the size of wrench, brother? T-wrench. What is that size?
Size 8.
8, huh?
8, 9, 10, 7.
Like that, huh? So you need to have changeable wrench, huh? We don't have that. Normally the burner nozzle, yeah, nozzle, burner nozzle, huh? You need to have this. Depends on the size. Only expert has to do this because if you don't know how to do this, it can be dangerous, you know. So sometimes we use the sporty to loosen the thread.
Header system. Seven, 8, 9. Wrench, huh? T-wrench. So this is the T-wrench, huh? So for loosening and fixing the nozzle. It's working now, huh? So before it was not working. It was not being used since then.
Long years.
More than 10 years.
More than 10 years.
It was not being used, so now it was prepared to make it more usable. Now it's working. Because it was not being used since it was purchased for more than 10 years, so maybe it clogged due to cooking and it's not being used. So what they are doing now, they remove the nozzle pin, they change it, and they're removing some clogs. Maybe it is due to cooking like oil, like using oil, and then replacing the nozzle. WD das 40, eh? For loosening. It's working. See, it's working. Before it was not working. This burner is also is not working, same like the other one. For 10 years it is not being used, so they now start repairing. It may have been clogged due to use of cooking oil, maybe, or some rusts. So maybe some rusted part. Of course, be sure you have standby fire extinguisher when you're doing because it's burning, no? So in case something went wrong, you're ready to extinguish the fire or just shut off the bulb. It's easy. So it's look easy, but you need to be expert in doing this. If you can do this, okay, fine. But if you cannot, you can call for some expert like this team. They're expert. So it looks simple. What you need to have is tools like flat screw, plier. Also, you need also some small flat screw, cutter, and this one. What do you call this? Wrench? Ang tawag doon sa name? T-wrench, T-wrench 7, 8, or 9, depends on the size. And then change the nozzle. Make sure you have a standby fire extinguisher. Of course, you have this part. This is the nozzle for the burner. And the toolbox. So what you observe from here, the nozzle is like bronze made, no? There's no such like an iron made. This is bronze. So it will be more durable because it is not get easily rusted. You also need long nose plier. Long nose plier. Because the nozzle is very small, so you need long nose plier. These are the tools you need. T-wrench, Phillips screw, long nose, plier, cutter, small flat screw.
Galas kulit ada tuh ini.
Baik juga.
Inside is good. So the brand is very durable. It's been using for 10 years. Of course, imagine after 10 years, inside is still good. Looks good. There's no stain, there's no rust. It's good, huh? It's not rusted. Okay. Simple as that. So it needs to be replaced. Is it going to replace or change only? Changing only, replace. So it's not stainless, it's aluminum. So it is a lifetime actually, huh? Except here, you see, this is oil, used cooking oil, maybe rusted parts. So you can smell some WD-40 and gas. Like trumpet, huh? This chemical for cleaning. Gas. This sugar? Huh?
Really?
Sugar?
Not sugar.
No, don't use sugar. Huh? It's not sugar. Liquid water.
Caustic.
Caustic.
Yeah.
For
Melt.
rust. For melting.
For melting.
Casting for melting. You can check the brand, but only expert can do this. Well, the problem is red color of plane. So the technician will make it blue plane to make it better. Oh, there are the tube maker, huh? Mobile number. Mobile number. Like that, huh? See. Especially if you are in Doha, you can contact Mr. Masood Rana. Yeah.
No.
You hear that sound? Wow, that's becoming blue. Wala, hindi mahuling. Wow, ha?
Tapos ito confirm natin sa mga chef natin.
Wow, ha? Dalawa. Something so far there.
At check na siya dito. Pwede na combo na.
Number one, all. There. There. Number one. Huh?
What is that sound? No.
What is this sound, brother? What is this sound? This
Check.
Parang di mag-uling yun.
Wow, huh? Perfect. Job well done, huh?
Yung dalawa.